The Edulink app can be accessed via any good web browser or by downloading the app from the App Store. Once you have loaded Edulink, you will be asked for the school ID, which is Landau. On the next screen, you will need to enter your normal Academy login details. Our personalised app will then load with a number of icons going around in a circle. By using each of these icons, you can ensure that you work effectively throughout the whole day. By clicking on the timetable icon, you can see what lessons you have today, tomorrow, or even next week. If you want to see what clubs are available and to sign up for them, then click on the clubs icon. By pressing on assessment, you will be able to see how you are achieving in each of your subjects. And when we ask you to complete surveys, you can do this in the form section. The first icon we'll look at in more detail is for attendance. Once you click on attendance, a new screen appears which initially breaks down your attendance by subject. You can scroll down to see all your subjects. By clicking on statutory month found in the top right hand of the screen, you'll be shown the attendance for the current month and any absences. By clicking on the calendar icon, you can change this to any month. Attendance for the whole year can be shown by clicking on the statutory academic year. Again, this is found in the top right hand corner. Here you will see the attendance for the whole year to date. You will notice that 1 day's absence is recorded as 2 sessions, 1 AM session and 1 PM session. The next icon we will look at is the homework icon. Here you will find details of all your homeworks that your teachers have set. It will also show you the subject it's set for and when it is due. When you have completed the homework, you can click on completed and that shows that you have finished it. As you can see from this music homework, the details and resources for each homework can easily be found. In the links section, you will find shortcuts to important sites and resources. You can see all the points awarded for achievements in the achievement section and how many points have been awarded so far. The app also provides a messaging service for yourself and the teacher. You will find this to be a useful tool as you will have direct contact with relevant members of staff. You will be able to directly message your personal tutor, pastoral support leader, subject tutor, as well as being able to respond to any messages that a member of staff sends.